Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can start drawing even if you are a beginner. Okay, so let's get started. So there's no one formula, a single way, an exact way to learn drawing or start drawing. You can start in any way. Let me give you some examples. So the first thing, the first way you can learn drawing is from reference images. You can draw anything from a reference. It means you're gonna take some photograph of anything. Could be of people, of animal, of buildings, anything. Okay, you're gonna have some picture here, and you're gonna follow everything you see in the picture. Okay, that's how you learn drawing. There's another way. Drawing from imagination. Okay. So, if you don't have any reference images, you can draw from imagination. You just think about something you have seen before, and you can start drawing. Like, think about, okay. Think about a dog you saw on the street. Try to remember how it looked. Okay? You can draw from anything. Okay? Maybe it looks like this. Okay? Maybe it has a different color from any other dogs you have seen. Okay. So this is the second way to learn drawing. It's your choice whether you want to draw from reference images or from imagination. Besides these two ways, there's another way to learn if you are really a beginner and you don't know anything about drawing. Tracing. You can trace an image. You're gonna put an image here, and above that, you're gonna put a paper, very thin paper. You'll find something called tracing paper, or you can make with your own skill. It should be transparent, and you should be able to see through that paper. Let's say if something like this, okay, then you're gonna put the paper here, okay, on the top of the actual image. Put the paper and then start tracing. Okay. Though this is for beginners, sometimes it could be hard. It's not that simple as you think. So these are three ways you can begin drawing. So besides this thing, I'd like to give some more information about how you can start drawing. Now, when you draw from a reference image, you always try to imitate the image. So, if you see like this, you'll try to copy like this. If you see like this, you will try to copy like this. Okay? But the way I'm going to talk about right now is a different way. So what I want to say, what I want to tell you is, we can draw anything by imagining that the thing has, anything you see has a basic regular shape. So what does that mean? Let's look at this. You see here, okay, you see a picture like this, but what you can do is, first, while learning, you can imagine that there are basic shapes. Okay, so basic shape for this is an ellipse or oval shape, something similar to circle. And you can put a center here, okay, a line that divides this shape into two parts. Now you can draw a nose here, mouth here. Okay, now you know the center line. Okay, center of the drawing. You can draw ears here. Okay, you can do like this. Okay, and then and then you can erase the unnecessary lines. Okay, so this is like you're gonna think that you are drawing something that is in regular shape. Similarly, you can think a person's face is a rectangle. Okay, draw ears. You can draw a line to make center. You can even draw here. You can draw here. Okay. After that, you can create the actual shape here. Okay. So these are the basic shapes or regular shapes. Similarly, lots of shapes are there. You know these shapes, right? So you can think of these shapes as the base of any picture. Whatever. Okay. I don't need to talk about the buildings, right? They are regular shapes. Draw this, divide it. Okay. Put some windows, doors. Okay. Anything. It's that simple. Okay. And another thing I want to share with you is, if you are a beginner, you can practice drawing, and what I want you to do is, whenever you draw a circle, try to go from bottom to up. This first, okay? First bottom to up. This will make you easier to draw circle. Okay? And if you're drawing a straight line, try to go from top to bottom. It'll make you easier to draw straight line. And if possible, try to maintain your wrist, the position of the wrist. Okay, just make it stable. Make your wrist stable, and just move your hand, forehand, or let's say the fingers. Okay. You can also exercise like this. This will make your hands flexible. Before drawing anything, you can do this exercise. So in this video, I was just trying to cover the basic things about how you can start drawing. Let's have a look at it again. You can start with copying a reference image, or you can draw from imagination, or you can trace an image, pictures. So after that, you can think of the basic shapes. Okay. Think of a basic shape while drawing anything. Anything means anything. People, building, place, anything. Okay. And the next thing is you can do. You can apply this thing down to up first for a circle. Okay. And top to bottom, or up to down for a straight line. Okay. So this is pretty much, I was just trying to show you how you can start drawing even if you are just a beginner, even if you have never drawn before. So I hope to make another video regarding this topic in future. So till then, goodbye.